by using Mastercam, generate this profile and write the program for this component shown below. So to do that, so first, since it is a turning component, first we will go for machine type, go to lathe, click on default. Now we'll create the model. First we'll go to line command. So the line is, I want to start from 0, 0, 0. So first 0, x is 0, y is 0, z is 0. Then it will start from this point. And the length of this line, now here, the height is given to be 30. So from the center we are starting. So we want to know from this point to this point it is 15. So here you make it 15. Then the angle is 90. So first we're going to draw this. Then we draw a line offset by this distance, which is 230, 180 plus 50, 130 plus 100, 230, 250. So we'll go for offset command. Click on Xform, take offset. So take the distance as 250 and you click on this and enter. Then you click it. Then go to fit. So go to the fit option. So now we'll go for a line command. So draw a line from end point of this to end point of this. Then, so we have drawn this center line. Now we're going to draw this diameter 100. So we go to offset, go to Xform, take the offset distance as 50 mm. So from here you offset, then click on right click, then click on extend, select this line, extend till here. Then again you need to offset by 20 mm. So you take offset by 20 mm. So you take 20 and offset this. Then go to click on right tick, then click on trim, select this and trim it on this side. Then come down to from here to here, the distance is 100 and also the height is 40. So go to offset, the distance is 40, that is the diameter, and this, and here it is 100. So again you go to offset and take this distance as 100. You just click on this, then go to click, then go to trim, select this and retain this, remove this portion, select this and delete this portion, and select this and remove this portion, and select this and remove this portion. Okay, now we need to, so we have come down till here. So this is the one which we have considered. Now we want 50. So go to offset, take the distance as 50, so that is 25. From here you offset by 25 mm and go to trim, select on this side. Then from here to here it is 80. So go to offset, go to 80 mm. So from here you offset by 80 mm. Click it on this, then go to trim it on this side and trim it on this side. Then you trim this on this side. So now we have this. Again, take 15 mm here. So you go to offset, Xform, offset, take 15. So here, from here you offset by 15 and go to right tick and go to trim, click on this and remove this, and click on this and remove this. Now we need to do the chamfering. So to do the chamfering 5 by 5, so typical, this side and here. So we need to do that. So to do that, go to chamfer entities. So the angle is 5. So type 5, and then this is also 5. Then this distance is also 5. So here go to chamfer, so type 5 and the angle is 45. You type 5, already 45 is been set. So select line, you select this, and you select between this and this, and you select between these two. So now the chamfering is done. So we have completed the profile which is need to be created, and this profile is remains the same now. So now we go for click on properties, click on files, click on tool settings, click on from material, and say click on stock setup. Enable left spindle, click on properties. So mark made from 2 points. So here now we need to fix the first endpoint of the to define the cylinder. You take the bottommost corner, and this is the select second point to define the cylinder on this. So now we have OD outer diameter is 100, the length is 250, and then use margins. So margin is OD margin, we want to give it as 2, and the right margin as 15, and then left margin as 5. Left margin, I click on right tick. Then under check JAWS, so you come down to check JAWS, click on properties. So we're going to get machine component manager, under clamping, you click on OD1, number 1, click from stock, and then change the grip length to 2. Click on right tick, and then check JAWS dialog box, click on right tick, this one also, so it will go to clear the dialog box. Now you go to tool paths, click on facing, that is facing, so click on right tick, okay. So click on OD rough right of 80 degrees, I click on this and make it feed rate mm per minute. Then click on face parameters, click on rough step over as 0.5, 0.5, click on right tick to clear the dialog box, then click on, so this is the facing operations, what it does. Again click on tool paths, click on rough, click on partial, click on weight, select the entry point or the chain or inner boundary, you select this, 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 and select this. Okay, click on right tick, click on rough parameters, change the depth of cut to 0.5. So here every time it goes by 0.5 mm, click on right tick. So now the roughing operation is taking place. So once the roughing operation takes place, then again click on tool paths, click on finish, click on partial, click on weight. Again you select the same parameters, so it is going down, you just click on upwards, click on this like this, you click on all the profiles, then click on right tick, click on 35 degree, so T121 or 0.8 35 degree tool, okay. Then click on feed rate mm per minute, enter the feed rate at 0.25, click on finish parameters, and lathe finish property, select number of finish passes to be 2, and then go to right tick, then click on generate NC GC1, and then click on OK, and here enter file name, I will type 6 and say OK. So now we are going to be generating with the codes of, so this is we have about 647 lines to get this. So this is the actual program which will going to be considered, again IJK value. So this is how it will going to be considered for your program. Now, once you get this, again, you go to simulation. To do the simulation, click on verify selected operations, then reduce the speed, and then go to play machine. So this is how the machining will going to take place. So first it is taking the phasing operation. This is the one which is does the that 15 mm allowance which was given has been removing first. So this will going to reduce us by using the phasing operation. Now it is this step which has been done, wherein this is the roughing operation which has been taking place here. So this dimension what we have here is 20 mm. Now it will go having a diameter of 100. Now it is taking place. So this is the operation which has been considered. Now it is going for the second step of diameter 80 mm and with a chamfer of 5 into 45 here. The length of this will going to be, so this length is 20. So now it is going for after the completion of the chamfering, now it is reducing the diameter to 50. So this is 5 into 45. So now it is taking place with the diameter 50, and now after that we have to go for one more chamfering. So this is the one more chamfering what is taking place, again 5 into 45, and this is 50 mm diameter. Now it is reducing that to 30 mm diameter along with the chamfering of 5 into 45 at this particular end. So to do that, now it is taking place. It is the, again still it is the roughing operations is going on. Then this is the final chamfering to a diameter of 30 mm. So again this length is 50, this length is 60, 80, and this length is 100. Now the finishing operation is taking place. So it will going to remove that extra material. This is how you will be able to get this drawing with the simulation, and this drawing is both are one and the